To post on multiple social media platforms at once using Zapier, the first thing is click the Zap button. On the next page, click Trigger, and then choose or search your preferred app where your content will come from, for example, Google Sheet, and then choose your preferred trigger event. On this part, click Sign In or Change button to log into your Google Sheets account. And then step 2, click Action, and then choose your preferred social media app, for example, Facebook pages, and then choose your preferred action event. On this part, click Sign In or Change button to log into your Facebook page account. Then click Connect, and then fill out all the necessary information that's on the screen. Step 3, choose another social media platform, let's say YouTube, and then just repeat the same process that you did on step 2, which is choosing your action event, logging in, and fill out the necessary information. All right, now you know how to post on multiple social media platforms at once using Zapier, and watch this playlist if you ever get stuck setting this up.